Hi, this is Darby, your friendly travel enthusiast. She loves spontaneous trips. And this time she decides on the same day to go to Chicago with her sister for her birthday. The plan: take pictures, eat amazing food, and enjoy some city vibes. The reality? She talks to the mic the entire way, thinking everything's getting recorded. Spoiler alert, nothing was. So now we get a fun voiceover instead.
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dhavi, your pretty connection. You might be wondering why I am carrying this bag. If you guys don't know, it's probably around 1 a.m. ish right now, and I am all ready to go celebrate my sister's birthday. Well, without her consent, without her wish, I have booked this trip. All are driving to Chicago, 9 hours, 14 minutes. You are not going anywhere. You are coming with me. So let's go. So me myself, I have booked a trip for my Pookie with no consent, no permission. I just simply told her that we are traveling tomorrow and you are coming with me because we are celebrating your birthday. She is not happy with my decision, I can tell. No. We are finally on the road to Chicago. This trip is super last minute, like no planning at all. We start packing around 9 p.m., throwing things into bags, not knowing what we need, just knowing one thing: we are going to Chicago to celebrate my sister. We decide to drive because the plan is sudden, and honestly, road trips just hit diff. It's midnight, the roads are quiet, the car is rolling, and we still have no idea which places we are visiting because I haven't even searched Chicago yet. We are literally going to plan this trip while driving, so you can expect pure chaos and fun. We are stopping right after 1 hour 30 minutes. This time we didn't stop just to get something for us. This time we stopped for Miss Iraya because she decided that she is going to be very cranky and decide not to sleep in the car, which is why we are here. We might get a coffee or so. Subway, Burger King, everything's closed. Starbucks closed because it's Christmas. That's what we are expecting, but we have Tim Hortons. Let's just go and grab some coffee. We got back on the road again and I'm literally starving. So we stop at Tim Hortons in Windsor for coffee and a quick breakfast. This is our fuel before the border. Now back in the car. Chicago, here we come. Probably the last Tim Hortons until we are back. And it's currently 6:54. We are already at the border at Windsor. We are just gonna go through immigration and we're just in US already. That immigration's done and Iraya is still sleeping. We planned the drive at night to make it easy for Iraya since it's her sleep time. This is her first long drive and she sleeps through everything, even immigration. Once she wakes up, we are already in the US, so we stop by Subway to grab a bite and let her stretch a little. We book our hotel in downtown Chicago because we want everything close by and walkable. After fueling up the car, it's only 51 minutes to the hotel, but we can already feel the traffic. And then Chicago skyline shows up on the right, and honestly, it gives me major New York vibe. The same feeling you get when you enter New Jersey and see the skyline, it's so similar. We are finally here at Hyatt Centric Loop in downtown Chicago, and this is the lobby. It still has that Christmas vibe, and honestly, it sets the mood. Just checked in. Little Raya's having fun. Raya, can you say bye bye? So when we got in, when I did my makeup, I thought I'll be making a clip by saying you guys that I am going to sleep and maybe I'll just take nap, get back and then get ready. But I was super tired. I just crashed on the bed and I was sleeping because I didn't slept I didn't sleep that much, which is why. But now it's 5:30 p.m. and we are all getting ready for my sister's birthday. So let's just get ready. Let's see what we can find around. The plan is that probably we're gonna start with the millennial part, watch the Christmas tree. There's so much happening there, and yeah, So let's just get ready and let's just get down on the Chicago roads. Just when I think my mic is working, that's when it decide not to work. I don't even realize it until now while editing. All I'm saying here is I'm all dressed up, wearing my Zara dress, and I'm excited to head out and explore downtown Chicago. We actually arrive in the afternoon, then crash for a bit and wake up around 5:30ish. It's a slower start, but it makes sense because we don't sleep at all during the drive. Now let's head out and see what we can explore. I thought why not to show you my full look here. This is my full look. We are walking through downtown Chicago and the city already feels alive. The weather is perfect, there's a soft breeze, and everything just feels lighter. Chicago has this quiet confidence, busy but not rushed. The streets are glowing, the trees are still dressed for the holidays, and the subway passing over the bridge just adds to the whole city rhythm. It's one of those moments where you don't need a plan. It's me, my sister, her husband, and Iraya just walking, talking, and soaking it all in. The first stop that we made is for Starbucks just to recharge a little. Inside the mall, there's a group of children who looks like they were with their mom singing Last Christmas, and I honestly can't help. I started singing along too. The vibe is just so nice. Walking through downtown Chicago, it's the little details that stand out. The clock built into the buildings, the street full of character, and Trump Tower rising right in front of us. And then we reach the Chicago River at Michigan Avenue Bridge, where the city feels split into two, with water flowing right through the middle. It's calm, it's beautiful, and it honestly makes you pause and just take it all in. When you are in Chicago, you can't skip deep dish pizza. It's a must, so we stop at Giordano's to try the classic Chicago deep dish. There's a bit of wait, but honestly, it's worth it. They have this open kitchen where you can see everything happening, the dough, the cheese, and all the magic coming together. While we wait, we are literally peeking through the window, watching the pizzas being made and getting more excited by the minute. Quick tip: if you are at Giordano's, deep dish pizza takes at least an hour to come out. It's a long wait, especially since everyone visiting Chicago wants to try it. But that's the thing. Good things in Chicago take time. While we wait, we start with some appetizers. Since we are vegetarian, I go for the garlic parmesan fries, and honestly, these might be the best fries I have ever had. We even end up ordering them a few more times while waiting for the deep dish pizza to arrive. Pizza is amazing. Honestly, it tastes so good. After dinner, we are back on the road to Millennium Park to see the Christmas tree I have been spotting in pictures. It's even prettier in person. So many real Christmas trees around, beautifully decorated, and it just gives the whole park such a festive vibe. Dinner took a while, but that's okay. Afterward, we are all craving something sweet, so we stop by Americano. They're popular, and honestly, it's easy to see why. The flavors are amazing. We especially love the pistachio one. They let you try so many flavors, which is perfect when you can't decide. Since it's already late at night, most things are closed, which honestly surprises me. Chicago closes early, even on weekends, so you really need to plan your day accordingly. We didn't expect that, but it's something we'll keep in mind for tomorrow. So the plan now is simple: head back to the hotel, take some rest, change into something comfy, and then go for a short drive around downtown Chicago to see what we can see tonight. I couldn't show you much on the drive because most places were closed, the lights were off, and the city feels quieter than I expected. But it's still nice to be out and see the streets at night, even for a little while. Now we are back at hotel, winding down. Tomorrow we are really going to start early. plan the day properly, and explore as much of Chicago as we can. So stay tuned, you won't want to miss the next part of this adventure. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, take care. Bye.